Good morning, children. So today we are going to learn about the motion and types of motion. So you know what is mean by the motion. Motion means anything that changes its position with time. कोई भी चीज है कि वो उसकी पोजीशन चेंज कर रही है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस दैट मीन्स द thing which is in the motion. A bus is moving on the road, a car is traveling, so that is the anything that changes its position with respect to time relative to its surrounding is said to be in a motion. Motion is always with respect to another object. Let us understand with the motion. Motion is relative. So in our day-to-day life, we see many moving objects around ourselves. So moving objects are said to be object which is in the motion. So discuss with this object in above thing. A boy is kicking a football, a car is traveling on the road, a fan is moving, a top is moving, a boy playing with a ball, a aeroplane is moving in the sky, okay, and a potter is playing, is making pots on the wheel. So these are the some examples of various types of motion. So motion while waiting for a bus at a bus stop, other vehicles appear to be in a state of motion. हम लोग अगर बैठे रहते हैं, आप ये भी ऑब्जर्व कर चुके हो, अगर रेलवे स्टेशन पे आप खड़े हो और कोई भी ट्रेन आके ट्रैक से गुजरती है तो हमें क्या लगता है कि हम भी उसके साथ जा रहे हैं, है ना? So on the other hand, when you are in motion yourself, a still object appears to be moving. और अगर आप बस में बैठे हो, बस जा रही है तो आजू बाजू के आपको रोड पे जो भी पेड़ होते हैं वो भी लग रहा है कि अपने साथ वो भी मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं. For example, the trees are seen to run backward while you are traveling in a train or bus. If an object is seen by an observer to change its place continuously, the object is said to be motion. That means the change of place of an object is called displacement. An object in motion continuously undergoes displacement. Okay, so this is the motion. Now consider the train is moving and so are you. Even imagine a situation when the train you are on moved more than you, resulting in the train moving ahead and you being left behind, so that you have observed. Okay, there are basic types of motion. The continuous displacement of an object is called motion. Okay, it's a definition of motion. The continuous displacement of an object is called motion. Please note down this definition. The continuous displacement of an object is called motion. There are basic types of motion. 3 types of motion. Types of motion. First type of motion is linear motion. Linear motion. And second one is non-linear motion. Okay, there are the 2 types of motion, linear motion and non-linear motion. So let's learn linear motion and non-linear motion. Okay, so see the linear motion. This is Given one example of linear motion. A train or a moving vehicle on the road may travel in a straight line or in the same direction. This motion of an object is called linear motion. A bus is moving on the road in a straight line, or a train is moving on a track in a straight line. So that is a linear motion. An object in linear motion shows displacement along a straight line. कि कोई भी object की movement अगर straight line है, that's said to be it is in a linear motion. So that is also called a rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. If you stand on a chair and release a ball from your hand, it falls to the floor. So what do you conclude from this? You conclude the motion is in a linear motion. So when an object moves along a straight line to reach its new position, then it is said to be rectilinear or linear motion. So movement of a car on a straight road, it is an example of linear motion. Then marching of soldiers in a linear motion, falling of fruits from a tree, and rolling a bowling ball towards the target. So are an examples of linear motion. The motion of soldiers. Have you observed? When the soldiers walk in a parade, the motion of soldiers in a parade is the same. Okay, they all walk in the same line, same way. During that period, not even a slight difference is seen. Have you observed it? So please observe. However, the motion of a girl coming from the slide doesn't appear to be uniform. The girl comes down faster and faster. The speed of her motion goes on increasing continuously when she slides. Okay. The motion of the marching soldiers is uniform linear motion. Okay, that is also called rectilinear motion. Because in this motion, no change is seen. On the other hand, the motion of the girl coming down the slide is non-uniform. जैसे कि स्लाइड से आप लोग स्लाइड करते हो, तो जैसे जैसे सामने नीचे आते हो तो वैसे स्लाइड जैसे भी स्लोप ज्यादा है तो आप फास्ट मूवमेंट होती है. बट द सोल्जर्स इन अ परेड दैट shows no change in its speed. So that is the uniform motion, and the girl is sliding, the girl coming down in a slide is non-uniform linear motion. Uniform and non-uniform linear motion. Linear motion के दो टाइप है. Linear motion means uniform linear motion, non-uniform linear motion. So these are the two main types of linear motion. Okay, which two types? The non-uniform linear motion and uniform linear motion. So this linear motion again divided into types. Uniform linear motion, okay, and non-uniform linear motion. Okay, in uniform linear motion, speed is same. Speed remains the same. here. So there is non-uniform linear motion. There is the speed does not remains the same. Here slightly change in a movement. Here no change in a movement. Here change in the movement of that object. Okay, so it's a basic difference. Let's see the difference. Uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. When the distance transverse by an object along a straight line in a unit time means 1 minute. In a unit time is continuously the same, means speed remains the same. So the motion is called uniform linear motion. Okay? कब होता है यूनिफॉर्म linear motion? When the distance transverse or the travels by an object along a straight line in unit time is continuously the same, then the motion is called uniform linear motion. Okay? And in opposite, non-uniform linear motion, when the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time keeps on changing, the motion is called non-uniform linear motion. तो इसका एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा? Non-uniform linear motion का, a car is traveling on the road. जैसे कि कार रोड पे आती है तो हर टाइम उसकी स्पीड सेम नहीं होती. कई जगह पे अगर कार जा रही है, आपको एक रोड है जो कि हिली एरिया पे रोड है, तो उसकी स्पीड सेम नहीं होगी. दैट इज इन अ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. बट द सोल्जर्स वॉकिंग ऑन द परेड, so that shows uniform linear motion. Okay children, then let's see so this is about linear motion. Okay, now let's learn about non-linear motion. The motion of an object does not move in a straight line is called non-linear motion. Okay, जो object straight line में नहीं move होते, that shows non-linear motion. So they may be following types. The swing always comes back from one end to the other end. जो झूला होता है आप लोग उसके झूलते हो, it moves to and fro. It takes about the same time for each swing or oscillation. The movement of a swing is called oscillatory motion. So this is about the linear motion. Now the non-linear motion, there are the basic different types of non-linear motion. Second is non-linear motion. Okay, non-linear motion means there are the many types of non-linear motions. That is, one is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. So what happens in oscillatory motion? The movement of swing shows the oscillatory motion swing. Then pendulum, clock pendulum. Clock pendulum, it shows the oscillatory motion. ऐसे ऐसे motion होता है swing का भी. Okay. Then the movement of pendulum of a clock, the wings of the bird, like this, the wings of the birds, and the needle of sieving machine. Sieving machine, have you observed the needle of sieving machine? ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे से होती है. The movement of sieving machine. Then the vibrating diaphragm of the tabla, then or a drum, are also examples of oscillatory motion. Okay, oscillator motion means the to or fro motion. The motion that occurs when an object moves to and fro repeatedly about the mean position. Okay, see it's a pendulum of clock. Have you seen the pendulum clock? नीचे pendulum होता है clock का. So when the pendulum is in center, it's a mean position M. And when it moves to and fro, so this is when from mean position 1 here, again come back to mean position means one oscillation takes place. So this is the oscillatory motion. Okay. Then next example is the hands of a clock move in a circular manner. Have you seen the hands of a clock? जो कि और hand होता है. Then minute hand of a clock, they move in a circle. So that is the circular motion. When an object moves along the circumference of the circle is said to be circular motion. Again, similarly, a fan, a giant wheel, and merry-go-round complete each round along a circular route. In our day-to-day life, we come across many examples of objects that trace in a circular path. So there again is a circular motion. It is also non-uniform motion. Circular motion. Okay, means the hands of a clock move in a circular manner. A fan. Okay, fan is an example of circular motion. Then merry-go-round. Merry-go-round. So these are the examples of circular motion. Okay. Then which other examples of circular motion? Some other examples of you can give some other examples of circular motion. That is example, a child on merry-go-round, then giant wheel, an athlete running on a racing track is an example of circular motion. Then a fan is moving. So we see from these examples of oscillatory motion and circular motion that some objects complete one round or one oscillation in a fixed period of time. Okay, for example, in a minute hand of a clock completes one round in exactly 60 minutes, है ना? जो भी minute hand है clock का, that completes one whole round in a 60 minutes. जो है 60 minutes means 1 hour we consider. So while a merry-go-round also completes every round in the same period of time, such a motions is called a periodic motions. Means in same period of time it completes its round, it completes its motion. That means it's a periodic motion. Okay. Periodic motion. Okay, few more examples of periodic motion we will learn in our next video. So you have to read this lesson, page number 66 and 67. So bye everyone. Next period we will continue with the same topic.